Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking to you about essential oils. Essential oils have become very popular again recently. Just going to adjust my chair, it's really uncomfortable. Sorry, that's better. Yeah, so as I was saying, essential oils have become really popular again with people wanting to go back to natural home products, skincare, and a lot of people are making their own products from home now. So I think that's amazing, but I really wanted to talk to you today not only about how you can use essential oils, but also the importance of using them safely and making sure that you do your research and get dermal limits on how much you should actually be using in your products, because essential oils are potent compounds that are extracted usually by distillation from either medicinal or fragrant plants to create the essential oils. And they are so potent. I don't think people realize how dangerous they can be if you use them incorrectly. They can give you long-term sensitization or skin damage or irritation. They can even reach your bloodstream, some of them. So it's not just like, this is a natural product, I'm going to just rub it all over myself. Please don't ever do that. Never apply essential oil directly to your skin. It always must have a carrier oil or be diluted in some form to avoid damaging your skin long term. Please take that seriously, because you could have a lifelong sensitivity from using an essential oil incorrectly. So now that I have got my seriousness out of the way, let's talk about how you can use some essential oils around the home and as your skincare as well. I have not really used essential oils a lot, apart from in a diffuser or with an oil burner, which I don't have one of either of those at the moment, but I'm planning on getting one again soon. So I recently was sent this pack from Art Naturals. This is the Artisan Oil Essential 8 oils, and this contains rosemary, sweet orange, lemongrass, frankincense, tea tree, peppermint, eucalyptus and lavender. So some pretty common and widely used oils in there. I really like this pack. It's a great starter pack with your basic sort of oils. If you are not sure what fragrances you like or how to use them, this is probably a more cost-effective and smarter way to go when you're starting out. So I'll leave a link to everything down below for you. This is not a sponsored post. I was sent this product, but I am choosing to do this video. Just a note I wanted to mention. So the reason why I like this is because of the size of it, and the other reason why is because it has this little booklet that comes with it. So the booklet contains some great ideas for home, clothing, DIY, general sort of uses around the home, and also skincare. So these are the oils here. They're just in nice, really good quality bottles, and they're cruelty-free vegan, and they have a shelf life of 24 months. Speaking of shelf life, your essential oil storage is also very important. So keeping them away from heat and sunlight and oxygen, making sure that the lids are put on tightly, and also please keep them away from your kids. Make sure they are stored somewhere that is locked or out of reach from children. I would have to say, out of these, my favorite oils would be the sweet orange, lemongrass, peppermint. I think they're probably my top picks. I love citrus, zesty, fresh sort of smelling scents. And I don't know why, but I've never really liked lavender, and I still struggle with it. It makes me feel a bit sick and it's a bit too overwhelming for me. So I usually avoid that in a lot of my products. Now, Art Naturals also have a fractionated coconut oil that you can use as the carrier oil for your products that you'll make at home. Fractionated coconut oil is also great just as a moisturizer, because it has kind of been cut down, I suppose. It's non-greasy, so it will hydrate your skin very well, but you won't be left with that thick layer on top of the skin. So it's great to use on its own, but also obviously with these DIY products. You can, if you are allergic to coconut. Some other carrier oils, I think Grapeseed oil is good, and maybe jojoba as well. There's sweet almond oil. There's a few different oils that you can get that are fairly light and low fragrance. You want to make sure that your carrier oil is not overpowering whatever you put into it. It just needs to be there as a base to dilute everything else you're putting in. So in their top 8 essential oils booklet, they have a breakdown of the oils and a little bit about each one and how they can be used. They have home products, clothing treatment, well-being, skincare, and beauty. And then I think at the back they have some general DIY. Yes, they do as well. So it's a great way to start if you want to make your own at-home products. Like I said, please make sure you follow their instructions to the T. Don't go adding, oh, I'll just put 10 drops of this and 5 drops of this. Please make sure you follow their limit guide. And also, if you're pregnant, I'm pretty sure you should avoid using a lot of essential oils or making sure they are super minimal in your products that you're using. So I wanted to share some of my favorites from this with you. Around the home, all-purpose cleaner is great. So the all-purpose cleaner has things like white vinegar, water, a liquid dish soap. Dr. Bronner's Castile soap is great for that. And then they've got lemongrass, tea tree, and lemon essential oil. You could really choose whatever you wanted depending on, you know, what you like to smell out of a multi-purpose spray. I like to use this as a general bench spray. I find that a lot of the naturally based DIY products, or even some of off-the-shelf products that are for shower cleaning, like getting rid of mold, that type of thing, I find that doesn't really work for me, particularly because I'm in Queensland and it can be quite humid. I find it doesn't really battle the mold buildup enough. So I tend to still use some generic products just in the bathroom, just in the shower on the tiles. But I love a natural all-purpose cleaner for bench tops and baths and that type of thing. One other thing that I loved so much, and I think this would honestly have to be my favorite idea from this book, there is a trash can air freshener, and it is so easy. I just don't know why I didn't think of it before. So basically you grab a couple of cotton balls or cotton pads and add a few drops of your favorite scent, your favorite essential oils, and put it in the bottom of your bin. And so it will keep your bin smelling fresh until you take that bin out each week, or however often you do that. And it's such a great idea. And the other thing you can do is have them sitting in a bowl at the back of the toilet or on top of the toilet, just to keep things smelling fresh naturally all the time. So I thought that was such a good idea. There's also some clothing options which I haven't tried yet. There's a shoe odor buster, sports gear, and a natural laundry scent booster. Well-being, this is great for colds and flus, or any sort of hay fever. If you're feeling really stuffy, itchy eyes, you can use eucalyptus, rosemary, lavender, and carrier oil. Rub it on your chest and it will help clear your sinuses and open up your chest as well. So that is great. I've just recently had colds, flus. It's been a really horrible winter for that, so that's been really helpful. I haven't tried a lot of their skincare ideas yet. There's things like if you burn yourself, there's a heat treatment, there's bite bug soothers, itchy skin for bites or hay fever, and then there's some beauty ideas for your hair, your scalp, and your skin. Then they have the DIY. So probably my favorite from this is the carpet deodorizer. It's literally baking soda and then essential oil of your choice. And that's such a great idea. If you have pets or kids and you want to clean your carpet, well, particularly if you have pets, you probably want to clean your carpet, but you don't want to be adding chemicals in and you've got kids crawling around on the carpet. So it's such a great idea for a natural way to clean and deodorize your carpet. Yeah, so they're probably my favorite things that I have had the chance to use at this stage. I would love to hear from you down below with your favorite essential oils, and if you have any amazing ideas on how you can use them, please let us know. I would love to hear from you. But otherwise, if you have any questions for me on anything that I've spoken about today, let me know down below. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and feel free to leave any requests for future videos as well. I love hearing from you guys. But otherwise, I hope you have an amazing week and I will see you in the next video. Bye.